Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you want to jazz up your dinner table? Or maybe you're just having a nice drink with family and friends. Something that really adds to the occasion is having gorgeous glasses. I've been using this set of 6 from Physkoa, and I am so delighted with just how dazzling they are. These come in 6 different colors. That is so nice because there's no wondering, hey, was that my glass that you're drinking out of? You just have to remember which color it is and you are good to go. These are made out of crystal glass, which has a smoother surface to it, and it just adds to the overall beauty. Not only did we use these for wine, but we also found that they were perfect for mixed drinks too. They're 14 ounces, so you can easily fit your ice cubes in, and then of course, whatever drink you want to put into it. They're very versatile. These have a nice weight to them, so they feel good in your hand, and because they're stemless wine goblets, there's not a chance that you're going to be knocking them over because they're top heavy. I think that these glasses are just perfect for parties or everyday use. I think you're going to love them too, and that's my point of view.